Welcome. In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the VerifyFitPro application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. And after the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page and wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone. You will know that it's done when the name of the watch appears right here at the top. Sometimes it takes a couple seconds, but as you can see, now it's connected. If you don't see any changes on the device page, I recommend to tap on home page and then device, and it should update the page. And once the watch is connected with your phone, scroll down, tap on unbind button, tap on unbind, and the watch will disconnect from your phone. Now we can close the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.